Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
I think I might have to revamp the little tree and the big tree because one big problem. Lyft did it first.
Yeah.
Lyft did it first. And what that is they Lyft, we talked about this the last 2 weeks. They're providing more upfront information for you. Is it going to make a difference in whether you accept the ride or not? Is it going to make you think twice about it? Well, I think it's going to depend on what it's priced at and what the stats are. And this is, again, average wait time at pickup, 1 minute.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. I mean, look, little tree, big tree, price-wise, stock, right? Catching up. Not only it's catching up. I mean, we can't put the little tree, big tree anymore. We need to.
Well, no. I do it on base. So the size comparison. Uber is a behemoth compared to Lyft. Lyft is just a little guy.
But next time when we do one of those earnings calls or whatever, we should enlarge the little tree a little bit more. Yeah. Should tell AI to do like a big tree and a medium tree.
What it did is it cut a little bit of Uber off, big tree. And so it's getting a little bit more sunlight. Yeah. And David's coming and watering it a little more.
Yeah, definitely. David's definitely watering it. We're going to see David's stats in a minute. Hey, David. So Uber is doing this average wait time at pickup, 1 minute. Great. Awesome. Look, Uber actually did that tippy first. Remember? Top tipper. They used to tell the driver.
Yeah, but nobody believed it.
Not as good as Lyft, obviously. But then they got rid of it. Uber, bring that back. I mean,
no. Don't bring top tipper back because we don't know.
Not top tipper, just like Lyft. Give it the percentage.
Anything. I want the percentage. Yeah. This is average wait time at pickup, 1 minute. That is fantastic to see. I know that. Absolutely. Now I can plan. It could actually mean the difference between accepting a crap trip and not, because if it's repositioning yourself to an area that you want to be, why would you want to reposition yourself for free when you could potentially take a rider? But you don't want to sit there and wait because minutes could add up, and they might mean a difference between, lucrative trip in a new area or not.
Yeah, no, for sure. That's a great thing. This is definitely good. This is definitely
a much better opportunity. The problem is for $5.66 for a 11.1 total trip and 30 something odd minutes of my time is not
but hold on. Do you see under 566? What else is Uber doing now? Do you see that?
Yeah, the active hour.
Yeah, that's another thing Lyft did, and then now Uber is doing it. So, by the way, I don't know where I got this email from, but this may have been one of the most horrible trips I've ever seen. Like 871 per active hour. I'm like, no.
Well, it still beats federal minimum wage.
Fuck, bro. This is horrible. Matt, was this yours?
It might be because it's all censored.
Yeah, it's all pixelated. Matt usually does a good job. I think this was yours, Matt.
No, I-40. So you didn't do it good enough. I could tell where it is.
And multi-stop, Chris. This may be the worst trip ever.
Stops. Oh my God. Why would you do it? Who in the right mind would actually take that trip? But
somebody did. Somebody did. I guarantee you somebody did.
We're seeing more information. So yes, you're seeing that active hour. And what I think is more important is the average wait time. But I think you need to add that percentage. Rider tips X percentage. Yeah. Add it. If they tip 0%, still put it in there. I don't care. Because then I can see how much you're screwing me.
Yeah.
When it comes to a ride like this. But
please go.
But hold on. We got another screenshot.
Yeah.
Go over to trip filters and go down.
That's my app.
You got accept cash. But below that, actually, I got a bone to pick with you because I know this is your app.
Yeah.
You can select rider rating. So that means you can actually set the minimum rider rating for trip requests now.
That just started. That's why I put it there. It's my
not
app.
in mine. It's not in my app. It's in your special app that only you have.
Oh my God. Come on, man. No, I don't have a special app, folks. I don't have anything. Okay, so
I thought you weren't taking teen rides, and yet I see teen requests are on.
Wait a minute.
Oh yeah, right.
So when this showed up,
I caught you.
Okay, first of all, hold on. I was going to send you another one, but then I had already sent you the lineup. Teen Rides was turned on automatically after the last app update, which was a couple days ago. When I did the app update, you know what showed up? The new map, heat map showed up, and this rider rating thing showed up. I know this has been going on in other cities already, but I do like this, right? But so Accept Cash, by the way, was never turned on. So good job, Uber. You're not tricking me. I'm still checking my preferences. However, after the update, the teen request was turned on. I know even if you're on, you're not going to get teen trips because in California, teen trips are disallowed. So
that's right. I forgot about that.
Yeah. No.
Grace for you.
You crazy? You think I'll do a teen trip? I'm the guy that pulled the fucking thing. You think I'm gonna do it? No way. But then I went in and I turned it off. So all three are off, but now I'm gonna turn my rider rating thing on. What should I set my rider rating for? Because I like picking up 440s, 430s at LAX.
I do 4.8.
4.8? Nobody will get in my car at 4.8. LA riders are horrible. But I do like doing 4.3s, 4.4s.
We just see good neighbors. So
4.9? No way.
I didn't say 4.9. I said 4.8. Oh, people in the chat.
Some people are saying 4.9.
4.9 is the highest you can set it.
No, that's ridiculous.
I only want 5-star riders in my car.
4.6. I'll do 4.6. But then I'm gonna miss all the good folks who are coming from Philly or New York, because every time I have picked up a 4.4, 4.3, 4.38, 4.45 from LAX, they're nice people, but they get pounded in New York by these drivers, and then they show up and they tip, and they're really nice folks. So actually, you know what? I will just have it off. I'll just decide.
I do 4.8. That's my limit. The only way
4.8 is high, bro.
The only way it changes. Well, the thing is, most riders are 4.8 or higher. There's very few that are lower than that. I mean, you might get like the 4.5s or whatever, but sometimes that's what. At that point, it's like, okay, well, why did you get such a low rating? Why are you?
I do ask them that when I see a low one, and they're like nice people. They go, "What do you mean?" I go, "You have like a horrible rating. I almost didn't pick you up." And then they go like, "Well, how do I get that better?" I go, number one, don't be an asshole to your driver. So I will turn that off. I will turn all three off. No cash chips, no teen chips, and rating. I'll just go with the flow. But it's a good thing. Good job, Uber. That was a good thing to do.
Yeah, no, I like it. I like those changes, but I think they need to add that tipping percentage. Just saying.
Yeah, and the other thing, last thing, probably 8, maybe 9 out of 10 riders who get in my car have a lower rating than me. Okay, I'm at 4.96. They have a lower rating than me. At least it's 8, probably 8 out of 10. So there you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.